How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix anterior pelvic tilt at home. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comment section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So let's go over some of those exercises right now, you guys. I'm going to show you guys 3 exercises that will actually help you guys with your anterior pelvic tilt. So to begin with, the first exercise that we're going to be performing is going to be a bridge. A bridge is one of the best exercises for getting rid of anterior pelvic tilt. It's going to help shift the pelvis forward, you guys, to get rid of that anterior pelvic tilt, you guys. So to perform the bridge, you guys, all we're going to do, we're going to lay on the ground, and all we're going to do is we're going to keep our shoulders on the floor, and we're going to raise our hips like so, you guys. This is all we're going to do for the bridge position. This is going to allow our pelvis, you guys, to really shift it forward because, again, with anterior pelvic tilt, our pelvis is tilted backwards, you guys. We want to shift it forward to get it properly aligned, you guys. So again, anterior pelvic tilt, your pelvis tilted back, we want to shift it forward a little bit. So that is how we can do it. Really make sure to do the bridge exercise properly, and that's going to help with anterior pelvic tilt. First exercise. Second exercise is going to be a lunge position. So we want to get into the lunge position. We want to get into this position, and when we're performing this position, really focus on squeezing your glutes, you guys. This is what's really going to allow you to fix that anterior pelvic tilt. So again, squeeze your glutes, your butt muscles, squeeze them as hard as you can. Really focus on driving the pelvis forward, you guys. That's what's going to allow you to get it better. So again, just keep doing that, and you can do the other leg as well. So again, this will help you. Again, same position, different leg, just keep doing that lunge position, you guys. Third exercise is going to be a plank position. Now, to do the plank, all we're going to do is we're going to get on our elbows, and then we're just going to hold this position, really making sure to contract our glutes when we're doing this, and we're going to try to hold the plank for as long as possible, you guys. This really, really helps you with your anterior pelvic tilt, you guys. So again, really, when you're doing this, make sure to contract your glutes when performing the plank. Contract your abs as well. So those are the 3 exercises that I recommend for helping get rid of your anterior pelvic tilt, you guys. If you have any other questions, comment below. I will answer them. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel again if you haven't already. Like the video and share it. Thanks again, everyone.